Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Forde's Videos too. So be sure to go across there, check it out. You may just find it relaxing what you see over there. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making a pan-fried chicken thigh. So let's get started. Okay, so now we're going to season our dried chicken thighs. Now, this is deboned, so I'm going to leave a link in the description or on the screen here where you can see how I debone my chicken thighs. So you want to make sure that after you clean it, that you dry it properly. You need this dry in order to get that crispy skin. Alright, so let's start with seasoning. So we're going to use, for the amount of chicken thighs that I have here, this is a package of chicken thighs. This is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to use about 1 teaspoon of salt to season this. So here I have the salt. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of turmeric in it. And I'm going to be using this Mrs. Dash salt-free seasoning blend to put in it. So let's just mix this together. So make sure we get it all in. All right, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to this as well. I want to make sure that everything is well coated. Sprinkle a little more of this seasoning blend. All right, so our chicken is all seasoned and it's ready for us to pan fry. So let's move on to the next step. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to put a little oil in our pan. Okay. Now we don't want this too high. And we're now going to put our chicken skin side down in the pan. Because remember, we want a crispy skin. Alright, now in order for us to ensure that we get a nice crispy skin, we're going to put something heavy on it. So I just have some parchment paper here, and I'm going to rest a pot on top of it. And I'm going to leave this for about 10 minutes. So make sure to turn down your fire, you don't want it high. You're going to leave this here for about 10 minutes and then we will check on it. Okay, so we're going to check to see how our chicken is doing. Oh yes, you guys see that? think I will leave it for a few more minutes. To get a little more crispy. I'm going to put it back over on this end for a couple more minutes. I want that to crisp up a little more. Alright, so I'm going to leave this on this side for a couple more minutes, then I will flip it over and cook the other side. Alright, so let's check our chicken now. Now we have some nice color. Though I think my skin could have been a little more crispy. But let's go ahead and cook the other side now of this chicken. Alright, so you're just going to leave this here to cook for a while. Alright, so our chicken is done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. Don't forget to share with family and friends. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.